Scott Hylton, Scott Talks. We're learning to program a Genie garage door opener. On this model, there's not a learn button, but a program button. You push it, it lights up, down the flashing light, you got 30 seconds to put a new program in. We've already done that. 357's the default. Hit program, put your new program in. Not going to show you. In program. Okay. Wait for all the backlights to go out. Out. Let's try the new code. 3 to 8 letters. Up and down. Got it. Okay. See, it's still lit, so it'll still work. As soon as that light goes out, it's locked out again. You have to put your new code in. Default code is 357. To reset the default, push and hold this and this, program and arrow. Flashes 2 times to get back to the default, which is supposed to be 357, so you hit 357 and your program button according to the directions. Or learn code. Takes about 2 or 3 seconds. 357 should be your default. And then you push down the arrows 3 or 4 or 5 times to see if it works with 357. And then you're ready to reprogram according to this. Set the new code. After the light goes out, you hit your 357 that you've got from your factory reset. Then press program. Then your new 3 to 8 digit code, whatever you're going to do. And then press program again. And let the light go out. See, it goes, doesn't do anything. Put in your new code. Whoops, mine didn't work. Oh, that's because I've been screwing with that program button for you guys. Let's see. Now I gotta reprogram it, I think. Wait, don't look, don't look. There it goes. My code's still there. Anyway, that was easy. New batteries, put in new batteries. Brush the ends of these contacts off with a little metal brush just to make sure. It's been a while. That helps. And the batteries, every year, just change them. Put them on your calendar, change them. Okay? Have a good day.